You know what the worst part about growing up in Berlin is? It's not worth going anywhere else. I'm already in the coolest city on the planet. Where am I supposed to go? What? €3 for a ticket? Last month it was $2.80. The second increase this year? They're basically asking me to ride illegal. Even the BVG is becoming a capitalist pig. You know what we have here in Berlin? An epidemic. An epidemic of hipsters. They're fucking everywhere. Their stupid vegan food, their fancy bars, drinking their vegan whiskey sour that tastes like cat piss. I can't stand it anymore. Oh, I do a lot for the homeless people here. I donate every day.